Hello Woodwards, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we'll see how to check invoice margin using this our Dev invoice margin. So let's see about that how to work it. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to invoicing app, go to customer invoice and create new invoice. Select customer, add product like a corner desk, another is a large cabinet and third one is the storage box. Let's save. See here based on product display here margin and below also display margin and margin in percentage. Now go to list view and here also display margin of product into amount and percentage. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.